Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a full backup and confirm the SSD type and capacity because installers and cloning behave differently. Once done, update your motherboard firmware, switch SATA to ASI if using a SATA SSD, and prepare a bootable Windows 11 USB on an 8 GB stick. Make sure the SSD is physically connected, M2 screwed down or SATA cable and power attached, so you can see it in UEFI and proceed immediately. You choose cloning if you want identical setup, use verified software, then verify the clone drive boots from UEFI. Otherwise, boot the Windows USB and select Custom Install. This gives you control to delete old partitions on the target SSD and let Windows create the EFI, MSR, and primary partitions. Make sure you pick the correct drive by size and model. Once you start the install, Files copy and setup runs automatically. If prompted, sign in and pick privacy settings when the installer finishes. You finish by entering UEFI to set the new SSD as the primary boot device, because correct boot order ensures Windows loads from the fast drive. After boot, install chipset and NVMe/SATA drivers, enable trim via power settings and confirm firmware is current. This preserves performance. If Windows won't boot, first confirm UEFI versus legacy mode and secure boot state. Reseat the SSD and run Windows Startup Repair. That single troubleshooting step fixes most boot recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.